Hi everybody, it's Gail from the Happy Stamper. I am here today with a Halloween home tour. So I am going to share with you all the funness at my house and kind of walk you through it. So let's get started. This ginormous spider up here, my husband made that years ago for the kids. At nighttime the eyes flash. It's super duper fun. Yeah, it's just spectacular. The kids love it. And we also have it on a spotlight. I've got just cute little bits and dabs here. I've got a little welcome pumpkin. And then, of course, we have our little scary, well, maybe not so scary, ghost here. And another little happy Halloween. My welcome sign blew off while we were gone. And then let me just show you here, the mums are hanging in there and looking beautiful. Our witch, we had a very windy day while we were gone, so I have to adjust her broom, but we are just getting back from Scotland, and so I'm trying to get back on normal time. This is our little beautiful waterfall. I love it. I love sitting out on the porch listening to it. And again, we had a windy day, but that's our little scary ghost that my husband made for our son and some beautiful mums. And this all looks so pretty at nighttime, lit up. We've got a little ghost there, and then just some more of our beautiful mums. But also, when at nighttime, the front porch here, all those lights and my flickering lights are all in bright orange. So it's super fun. And you can't forget a little scary spider, the baby. The mama's on the house. So let's go on up. I've got corn stalks galore, which I love, all over. And then we have our pumpkins all carved. They're wrapped in plastic so they don't get yucky. But I've got my witches, and there's the rest of the pumpkins. My son just watered the mums for me. I have this darling witch that I got when we lived in Illinois the first go around. I love her. She is so cute. Oh, and there's a real little spider. So let's come in the house. This is the front hall. My daughter was cute and she put on the Monster Mash for me. So when you first come in, I've got this cute little, I made this tablecloth with fringe. It's just black. And then I've got this cute little glittery candelabra. I got that when we were living in New Jersey at a florist, but it's beautiful at nighttime when it's all lit up. And then I just have these really fun movable pictures. So like they look like a person and then they look like a skeleton. I hope that shows up for you. Got a pretty little candle. I love vintage. So these are fun little doodads. And then of course a ghost book to read lots of scary stories. This is my Halloween tree that I made when we were living in New Jersey, and I just love it. Love it, love it. And my bottom is actually an apron. So if you're ever looking for a tree skirt, aprons make fabulous tree skirts. So I'll go in a little bit closer here, show you some of the cute little ornaments. Eek, beware, the hat lights up. Some boots. A little scary skeleton. And a big skeleton. I love this tree. Super cute. Trick or treat. So lots of fun there. Over here, I have my very scary witch. I'll take you in closer to her in just a minute. And then on my hall table, I just have a cute little witch's hat that I made. This was actually a Stampin' Up project that we did a couple of years ago. And I guess while I'm over here, let me take you into the dining room because I do just a little decorating. And I also on my clock have a little ghost. He's so cute. So then here in the dining room, I do a little bit of tablescaping. Not too much, but just some fun things. I have a cute vintage cat treat holder. I've got a spooky black pumpkin. These are battery powered and they're embossed with pumpkins and they're glittery and so pretty. Of course, I've got candy corn, a little vintage witch. And then my table runner, I got that in New Jersey, and it's a whole little scary scene made from lace. Have to have a little mask. I love the candles when they light up. They go on automatically, and I got those from QVC. But you can see in the lace the pattern. It's super pretty. So that is all that I do here in the dining room. That's it. I don't do much. We'll perhaps have dinner in there and some chili on Halloween, but we basically just are on the porch with the little ones coming to the door, and we sit on the rocking chairs and pass the candy out, and it's really cute. Here's a cute little kitty that I got when my husband and I were dating, and we just are coming up on our 30th anniversary. So, oh, I forgot to turn my candles on. That's okay. This witch is super cool. We got her in this historic town called Galena, Illinois, and she was in the window of the storefront. And these two guys from New York had bought a burned out factory where hundreds of people were killed back in like the 1700s in Galena. And this witch was made by one of their artist friends. And there's a little book of spells and a little goblin. It's all made with refurbished fabric and beads that survived the fire. So she's really very cool. She's also made from her hair is Santa Claus hair. And I believe he said that was like from the 1920s. But she's very spooky looking. Our youngest son really doesn't like her at all. But my husband thought she was super cool. She's really a piece of artwork, if you will. And so, yeah, she is in the front hall and greets everyone with a cackle and a hi. All right, so let's head into the family room. This is our family room. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I love to decorate for all the holidays and do so with great joy. So welcome to my home. This cute little girl, with her little naughty knees, I've had her for many, many years. Got her with the cat over 30 years ago at a craft fair with my husband. This table here, I have a cute hanging cat. Again, these items came from a craft fair 30 years ago. So I have this darling little mouse. She's so cute. And a little kitty. And then this says the witch is in. On this chair, I have another cute witch. Love her. Love, love her. And over here, I've got a little vignette that I'll give you a close-up on. On the table, I just made this. I got this lamp, or hurricane, if you will. I want to say at Target. I don't know. I'm not thrilled with it, but I have it. This was a wreath that I just turned on its side. I did get that from Target a couple years ago, so I'm sure they probably still have it. But this has a battery-powered candle in it, and it lights up. And then over here, I have this really cute light up. It's an old screen. I think this was a screen door. And it lights up and says boo and has all these happy pumpkins on it. And it just makes me happy. nighttime is so fun because everything just glows. And then on the table next to it, I just have a witch and a delicious candy corn candle that my husband gave me. And then on this cute little table here, I have another vignette, and one of our favorite pieces is this flashing Dracula. And anyways, there's good stories about it, but we love him. He's just a happy little guy, and we love his little flashing cape and the happy little bats. Next to him, I have a handmade, it's almost like a stained glass pumpkin, and I got that at a craft fair at my daughter's college. And then I have a light up witch's haunted house that I put a candle in, and that I got at Hallmark several years ago. So that's always fun. All right, let me turn you around here, and then the real gem is my fireplace. Da-da-da-da! So let's go in and take a little bit closer of a look. This is really always the grand poobah when I'm decorating. It's a very high ceiling, and so it's really fun to decorate this. Don't mind if you see little English feet from a stuffed fox over there. Our puppy is getting into everything, and I have a children's corner around that side of the house, and she's been getting into that, the little stinker. So I have some black and kind of coppery candle holders on each end. I love to collect Annalise, so I do for Halloween as well. And I think they're just precious. I have them for all the holidays. So we have witches and kitty cats. You've got a little witch who's going to throw some eggs at you, and a happy little pumpkin, a scaredy cat with a fluffy tail, and a little boy dressed up as a skeleton, more witches, little devil. And then I have my Happy Halloween banner that goes across, and these ghosts, those I got in Illinois when we lived here the first time. So I hang those on there, and they say, beware, spooky, boo. Then I have this darling little step stool that says trick or treat, and the pumpkin lights up, but he is not turned on now. But it's really cute. He's got a happy face. There's a spider and lots of little webs. Don't mind my phone. Next to that, I have a cute little pumpkin. That's a stuffed hat. That, you guys, phone was ringing. Can't have my phone number going out on Facebook. But I have this really sweet, sparkly, vintage little scene of some children in a candy shop and a witch looking in at them and a very happy little moon. So that's one of my favorite things. Wouldn't be complete without a Mickey Mouse candle holder with some little friendly ghost. We got that cutie pie at the Not So Scary Mickey Mouse Halloween down in Florida. We got that a couple of years ago. And then on my buffet here, I have a cute witch's boot right here. I love it. Very festive. And then I have a fun little spooky ghost. More lights. Isn't she cute? And I put candy in the top there. All right, so let's go over to my lollipop tree. Now my lollipop tree, my little witch broke that goes on the top, so I have to fix her, but I'm going to do that. But this is the one for Halloween, and I just love it. Look at the little witch. She's so cute. Pumpkins, moons. Little tombstones. This is my favorite decoration and has been for many, many years. I just love it. So that's on my kitchen table, and I will fix my witch. And then let's just come over here into the kitchen. This is my kitchen. And on my little table here where I have fruit and things, I've just got a darling little happy pumpkin. And then next to that, I have these cute little corn husk witches that I just love. And there's just a little baby guy, little scarecrow being carried in the basket. Super cute. My mom gave me those. I have no idea where she got them. All right, so let's see. Lastly, I'm burning a yummy jack-o'-lantern. This is a village candle, and it's jack-o'-lantern, and it smells really good. And then I made yesterday, as we were carving all the pumpkins, I made, I don't know if I can open this. Hold on, let me sit you down here. I made yummy pumpkin seeds. Now this bowl is all of the regular ones, and then, with just salt and pepper. But then this bowl, I did, these are delicious. Everybody's going crazy for these. I did ranch dressing, and I also did a batch of Italian dressing, and those are already gone. That's my cute little cookie jar. And that's my little mite cup for having a cup of tea. Yummy. And then lastly, just here on the island, I have a cute little Frankenstein. He's lit up with a battery-powered one. And then my darling pumpkin. And then there's a kitty cat. And that has a candle in it, but you can't really see it quite as well. Not as bright as the Frankenstein, who is going batty. He's going batty. Those are cute, and they're metal. So there you have it, you guys. That is my home tour for you. I hope you enjoyed it. We love celebrating Halloween. Thank you for coming along. If you like this video and want to see more, please let me know. Hit that thumbs up, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will be happy to do more. Thanksgiving's coming, and I have some beautiful things to share with you for that. So thank you so much for visiting with the Happy Stamper, and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.